Stocks were off to a little bit of a slow start this morning, but ended up having a pretty good session overall, with the NASDAQ up 1.2%, finishing just shy of their July 28th record close. Apple led the charge for the Dow Industrials, closing up 5%. Off of a report of another $100 billion U.S. investment. This comes on top of a $500 billion investment reported earlier this year. Retailer names such as Shopify and Capri Holdings surged on quarterly results. This led other retail names such as Target, Costco, and Walmart, which we played today, also rallied on those earnings. Overall, the market did pretty well, with 6 of the main sectors closing in the green. Let's get into some charts though. First up, of course, I'm going to look at Apple because she had such a strong day, closing up 5%. Now, Apple has been a little bit of a frustrating and lagging name out there, especially when you compare it to other Mag 7 names. But on the chart, I'm looking for a breakout of this 216 zone. Once you get above 216, we could see a breakout into the gap towards 221 and also towards 225. As I mentioned, we played Walmart today on this breakout of 100. She moved into the gap and missed the full gap fill of about 30 cents. Yeah, we're looking for some follow through on some runners here. The full gap fill will happen at 103.85, and then you have all-time high resistance at around the 105.30 mark. I also want to keep a close eye on Google. If Google can break above 198, we should see a move into gap fill towards 203. And finally, looking at the SPY, we can see that she continues to defend the 21 EMA. If we get a follow-through move over 633.70, we could see a move towards 639 to 640 zone and new all-time highs. However, if she starts to break down below the daily 21 EMA, I'm still looking for a move down to retest the 618 mark. That's going to be it for me today. Let me know in the comments what you are looking at as far as your watch list. And as always, trade smart and be good.